I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. She sweeps the floor daily. She sweeps the floor daily. He mops the kitchen after dinner. He mops the kitchen after dinner. They vacuum the living room. They vacuum the living room. We dust the furniture on weekends. We dust the furniture on weekends. I wipe the counters after cooking. I wipe the counters after cooking. She does the laundry on Saturdays. She does the laundry on Saturdays. He folds the clothes neatly. He folds the clothes neatly. They iron their shirts for work. They iron their shirts for work. We wash the dishes after each meal. We wash the dishes after each meal. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. She loads the dishwasher every night. She loads the dishwasher every night. He unloads the dishwasher in the morning. He unloads the dishwasher in the morning. They clean the bathroom every week. They clean the bathroom every week. We scrub the bathtub thoroughly. We scrub the bathtub thoroughly. I clean the toilet with a brush. I clean the toilet with a brush. She washes the windows every week. She washes the windows every week. He takes out the trash every night. He takes out the trash every night. They recycle paper and plastic. They recycle paper and plastic. We compost food scraps in the garden. We compost food scraps in the garden. I water the plants every other day. I water the plants every other day. She weeds the garden in the summer. She weeds the garden in the summer. He mows the lawn on Sundays. He mows the lawn on Sundays. They rake the leaves in the fall. They rake the leaves in the fall. We shovel the snow in the winter. We shovel the snow in the winter. I clean the gutters in the spring. I clean the gutters in the spring. She sweeps the porch daily. She sweeps the porch daily. He washes the car on weekends. He washes the car on weekends. They vacuum the car seats. They vacuum the car seats. We wipe down the kitchen table. We wipe down the kitchen table. I organize the pantry monthly. I organize the pantry monthly. She cleans the fridge every 2 weeks. She cleans the fridge every 2 weeks. He defrosts the freezer when needed. He defrosts the freezer when needed. They tidy up their bedrooms daily. They tidy up their bedrooms daily. I pick up toys before bed. I pick up toys before bed. I change the sheets weekly. I change the sheets weekly. She washes the curtains in the fall. She washes the curtains in the fall. He cleans the mirrors with glass cleaner. He cleans the mirrors with glass cleaner. They dust the ceiling fans. They dust the ceiling fans. We clean the vents every season. We clean the vents every season. I polish the wood furniture. I polish the wood furniture. She vacuums the stairs carefully. She vacuums the stairs carefully. He sweeps the garage floor. He sweeps the garage floor. They organize the garage twice a year. They organize the garage twice a year. We clean the grill after barbecuing. We clean the grill after barbecuing. I replace the air filters regularly. I replace the air filters regularly. She washes the pets' bedding. She washes the pets' bedding. He feeds the pets in the morning. He feeds the pets in the morning. They brush the dog every evening. They brush the dog every evening. We clean the litter box daily. We clean the litter box daily. I wash the pets' bowls after meals. I wash the pets' bowls after meals. She organizes the bookshelf. She organizes the bookshelf. He donates old clothes to charity. He donates old clothes to charity. They clean the basement once a month. They clean the basement once a month. We dust the light fixtures. We dust the light fixtures. I wipe the baseboards. I wipe the baseboards. She washes the doormats. She washes the doormats. He cleans the doorknobs and handles. He cleans the doorknobs and handles. They polish the silverware. They polish the silverware. We sweep the driveway. We sweep the driveway. I wash the shower curtains. I wash the shower curtains. She organizes the medicine cabinet. She organizes the medicine cabinet. He cleans the coffee maker weekly. He cleans the coffee maker weekly. They decale the kettle monthly. They decale the kettle monthly. We clean the microwave after spills. We clean the microwave after spills. I wipe the oven after cooking. I wipe the oven after cooking. She organizes the Tupperware. She organizes the Tupperware. He checks the smoke detectors. He checks the smoke detectors. They replace burned out light bulbs. They replace burned out light bulbs. We clean the light switches. We clean the light switches.